When Scrum is implemented correctly, managers are no longer needed. Choose one option. Option 1, true. Option 2, false. Option 3, it depends. The correct answer is option 2. Managers are still needed when Scrum is implemented correctly. While Scrum empowers teams and distributes leadership responsibilities, it doesn't eliminate the need for managers altogether. Their role transforms from a command and control style to a more supportive and facilitative approach that empowers Scrum teams to excel. Managers provide support, remove roadblocks, and help Scrum teams overcome impediments. They ensure the team has the resources and environment they need to perform optimally. Managers can act as coaches and mentors for Scrum team members, helping them develop their skills and knowledge in areas like Agile practices, communication, and conflict resolution. As organizations adopt Scrum at scale, managers play a vital role in coordinating across multiple Scrum teams and ensuring alignment with overall business goals. Managers can provide strategic direction and ensure Scrum teams are working on the right things. They can help translate the overall product vision into actionable product roadmaps for each team.